Where you at?
I'm pulling up right now.
Come on.
Yeah, you see me? Yeah, I'm
Is
right
that
back.
you? Hey, hop in the whip.
Is that a chair?
It's a seat, bro. It works. Just get in. We're running late already.
No, that's a wood chair.
Bro, get in.
Oh, fine, man.
Now pedal. Pedal. What do you mean pedal? You gotta pedal. The car won't go unless you start pedaling, bro. Bro, is this a bike? Does this even have an engine? Just do it. Oh, fine. Just go. We're running late. It's kind of cold in here, too, bro. Do you have, like, a heater or something? Yeah, we got heat. You gotta turn on the back, though. In the back? That is a radiator. That is not a heat. That is a radiator. You have a whole radiator in the back of this car. Do you even have, like, a radio or something? Nah, this car doesn't have a radio, but we still got music. Let me play. Oh, look at this dude trying to cut me off. He's trying to pass this dude going 2 miles per hour. Get out of here, bro. It's humiliating. You hear that? Stop pedaling. Stop pedaling right now. I'm not pedaling anymore, bro. Keeps going. Bro, I can't stop it, bro. What do you want me to do?